Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and Apple has released Beta 5 of iOS 16 to developers, and we have a huge new change in this that a lot of us have been waiting on since the iPhone 10 came out, when the notch devices removed the battery percentage from the status bar. Today, in iOS 16 Beta 5, that has returned, as you can see right there, the battery percentage on the battery icon. And so when you turn the battery percentage on, you do not get an icon that moves. The battery bar does not move. It's just a battery icon with the percentage in it. When you plug the device in, it just turns green. It has a little lightning bolt next to the percentage. You can turn this off and go back to the regular battery status bar right there that will adjust accordingly. But when you turn the percentage on, as you can see there, it just shows the full battery icon with the percentage inside of it. So that is how that works. That is probably the biggest change in iOS 16 in terms of stuff people were waiting on. We do have another one where when playing music, so we'll just get something started here. I'm just going to turn the volume down so we don't get copyright. But in the now playing portion on the lock screen, you can see here we do have the little waveform right there, and the waveform does match the beat of the song. So it is not just randomly moving, it does match the music that is playing. A couple things here I'm noticing on a Beta 5 is when you wake the device up, as you can see there, when the screen wakes up, it takes a second for the clock and widgets to come up, which I don't remember that happening before. And when you pull down from the notification shade and pull up the lock screen here, sometimes it comes down and then they come up. So it seems to be a little bit of a delay there on the notifications, or not the notifications, but the clock and the widgets loading. But you know, again, one of those things that'll probably be worked out here in the next beta or so. Everything else has been running smooth. Battery life is good. We did get a modem update on the 13 series, but that is your biggest change right there, is that battery percentage icon. This is iOS 16 Beta 5. I'm Colin for Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.